बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 2 फरवरी 2025 के अखबार में। गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान नेशनल डेटाबेस एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन अथॉरिटी की जॉब बता रही हूँ। वॉक इन टेस्ट / इंटरव्यू। Residents of respective tehsils are invited for walk-in test/interviews as per details mentioned below. Post and age: Deputy Assistant Director Office in charge. Age max 30 years. Qualification and experience 16 years. HEC verified education in management/business administration/computer science/information technology or equivalent degrees must be attested from HEC, preferably 2 multiplied by year experience. तहसील है इब्राहिम हैदरी। जॉब लोकेशन NRC गोड सोले मोहम्मद। और ये मैं बताती हूँ अभी आपको। दूसरी पोस्ट है जूनियर एग्जीक्यूटिव डेटा एंट्री operator. Age max 25 years. Intermediate or equivalent, preferably 1 multiplied by year experience. नाइब कासिद. Age max 40 years. Middle, preferably 1 multiplied year experience. Test date, day and registration time Tuesday 18 February 2025. Time 8:30 AM to 1 PM. Interview date, day and time Wednesday 19th February 2025. Time 8:30 AM onwards. Venue for test and interview 4th floor कंदावाला बिल्डिंग MA जिन्ना रोड कराची सिंध. Wednesday 19th February 2025. Time 8:30 PM to 1 PM. Thursday 20th February 2025. Time 8:30 AM onwards. Tuesday 18th February 2025. Time 11 AM to 2:30 PM. 4th floor कंदावाला बिल्डिंग MA जिन्ना रोड कराची सिंध. वेन्यू एंड फॉर टेस्ट एंड इंटरव्यू आप लोग देख लें, ये कराची में इंटरव्यू है। Terms and conditions. Number 1, resident from respective tehsils per CNIC/domicile will be allowed for test against one location only. 2, interested candidates must bring original documents, i.e. personal, educational and professional, for test as per specified time. Request for consideration after lapse of time will not be entertained. 3, only female candidates will be considered for female NRCs. 4, only shortlisted candidates after qualifying test shall be called for interview. 5, employees serving in government/semi-government departments must provide no objection certificate NOC at the time of interview. 6, attested degrees/certificates from Higher Education Commission HEC/respective educational boards must be provided at the time of interview. 7, selected candidate will undergo a 6 multiplied by months probation period, extendable subject to performance. 8, selected candidate shall provide medical fitness and character certificates. Appointment is being made against a specific Nadra registration center NRC. Therefore, no request for transfer shall be entertained. 5 years age relaxation is already included in above age limit. 5, electronic gadgets such as mobile phones, smartwatch, etc. will not be allowed during test/interview. क्यों ये ऐसा हो रहा है भाई? No TA/DA will be admissible for test and interview. Females, minority, transgenders and differently abled candidates are encouraged to apply. Number 14, sample test is available at https://careers.nadra.gov.pk/ which can be viewed for guidance. Note: selected candidates shall neither confer any entitled of permanent appointment nor be regularized. Human Resource Selection, Nadra Regional Head Office, Karachi, 29E Miran Mohammad Shah Road, MA CHS, Karachi, Sindh. Sindh Forensic DNA and Serology Laboratory, Dr. Panjwani Center for Molecular Medicine and Drug Research, International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences, University of Karachi, 75270. Career opportunities: research officers to contractual salary ₹80,000 to 1 lakh. Candidates should have an MS/MPhil degree, 18 years education from an HEC recognized university/DAI in the field of biochemistry/molecular biology/biotechnology/genetics/molecular medicine with a sound knowledge of molecular biology and genetics. Candidates having relevant experience will be preferred. Note: bond/affidavit will be signed by the candidates for at least 3 years with the SFDL ICCBS, University of Karachi. After the appointment, applications along with curriculum vitae, attested copies of complete educational documents, experience certificates, attested copy of CNIC, 2 recent photographs and copy of this advertisement must reach the office of the director, Dr. Panjwani Center for Molecular Medicine and Drug Research, International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences, University of Karachi, 75270. Within 15 days of the publication of this advertisement, name of the post must be clearly mentioned on the envelope. जी एक और जॉब है, कंजर्व इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू रिड्यूस लोड शेडिंग. कंजर्व एप्लीकेशंस आर इनवाइटेड फॉर द पोजीशन ऑफ चीफ इंटरनल ऑडिटर एट द लाहौर इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई कंपनी लेस्को. Lesco is seeking the services of an experienced, dynamic and result-oriented professional to work at the company as chief internal auditor as part of its senior management team who has the relevant skills and capabilities to take on this challenging role. Responsibilities and skills का आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें. ये है responsibilities and skills. ठीक है जी, इसका आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लें, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ एंड स्किल्स का. Qualifications and relevant experience. The qualifications and experience expected from an applicant include: has to be a member of a recognized body of professional accountants. 2. The candidate must have a total of 10 years of relevant experience in audit and or risk management, designing of internal control procedures, effective compliance of financial reliability in public/private sector with understanding of governance risks and risk control, especially in state-owned enterprises or public sector projects. Ideal candidate should have a strong business acumen and judgment, in-depth understanding of internal audit, function in ERP environment, risk systems and controls that meet 11A standards and experience of senior management and board level interactions. The candidate must comply with the fit and proper criteria and other conditions as prescribed in the State-Owned Enterprise Act 2023. एज लिमिट बता देती हूँ, अप टू 57 years at the time of closing date of advertisement. How to apply? Application forms are available on Lesco website www.lesco.gov.pk. Applications should be submitted online on Lesco website as well as through courier. Applicants who apply must submit the following accompanying related documents along with the application: A. Copy of detailed CV with updated career history. 2. B. Copy of CNIC and recent photographs. C. Copies of degree/testimonials. D. Copies of registration/membership with professional governing body for applicable. E. Detailed separate list of experience along with experience letter /certificate/reference letter. Note: A. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. B. The applicant must ensure the application is complete in all respects. The board reserves the right to seek further information and/or documentation from any applicant as it deems appropriate. C. Applicants shall be required to present all original documents including experience certificate at the time of interview. D. No application will be accepted by hand. E. Applications should reach no later than 16/2/2025. F. Candidates working in government/semi-government/autonomous public organizations are required to apply पता नहीं मेरे कैमरे में क्या हो रहा है, अल्लाह खैर करे, थ्रू प्रॉपर चैनल along with NOC of their department issued on its letter. Hat G. The above mentioned position is purely contractual in nature, non-pensionable, no long-term benefit, and shall not be converted into permanent position at any stage. H. LASCO reserves the right to withhold/cancel the recruitment process at any stage without assigning any reason. I. LASCO is an equal opportunity employer, Human Resource Directorate, Lahore Electric Supply Company, LASCO, 22A Queens Road, Lahore. Phone number 04299204811, 04299204811, लाहौर इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई कंपनी। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।